Okay, so this piece is another nature piece. I found these little fiddleheads, these ferns. I love ferns. I love nature. I love mosses and lichens and all those things. And so I'm out in the woods and the streams and the bogs and looking for things. And I found these little fiddleheads, and I created these women, because to me, fiddleheads are female, and they have every plant has a spirit. Everything has a spirit. But they reminded me of women, of the female spirit or psyche, unfurling and trying to bloom and coming out. So that's the fiddleheads represent the femaleness of the ferns and the blooming and the growing and the expansion of feminine energy. This is another little bronze. It's a lost wax process. And so you've got a combination of human and plant.